that simple. Things aren't 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 that simple.
Wake up in the morning and I'm like, yo, this baby hurt. I got my shawty in a wheel and we going skirt. I'ma go ahead and speed off, wrap the beat off, rolling weed and rip the tip off, then I float off. Pour me up a 6 and a 2-liter Sprite. I don't care about shit, it's my old ass wife. I got plenty of regrets that